One of our most important features, and the one you'll have the most interaction with in our system, is the email builder. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of creating an email with our email templates, and we'll also talk about how to build an HTML email or a plain text email. Go to the Email Builder tab and select Create an Email to start building your first email. You'll be presented with several ways to build your email, including using our templates, standard text email, and the more advanced full HTML email. We will begin with the email templates. To begin, simply click the underlined words, Email Templates 2.0. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose from our pre-built templates. Choose the one that best suits the type of email you want to send, and later, you can edit the color scheme and even change the layout to better suit your needs. On the Address Your Email page, you'll be prompted to fill in several fields. This is also where you will decide whom your message will be delivered to. Fill in the subject line. This is one of the most important fields of your email. Be sure to make a good first impression in this field, as it will be the first thing your customers see. Do not use all caps and avoid common spam language. You can check our FAQs and our blog for more advice on the subject lines. If you've segmented your list into interest groups, this is where you'll be able to manage them. The box to the right will list your active list members, and those are the people that you can send to on your list. And it will also display the currently selected list members, and those are who this email will go to. Monitor this to ensure you are sending to the correct number of people. Use the drop-down menus to the left to decide whom to send to. Click Next. You are now at the Email Builder template screen. This is where you can edit your email by making changes in text, customizing colors, and adding content. These forms are divided into sections. Each section's attributes can be modified by right-clicking on it. Text can be changed, and images can be added by left-clicking on these sections. Left-clicking will bring you to a screen that looks very similar to a word processor. Here you can edit text and add pictures to your email. Let's begin by adding your company logo to the template. Click on a section to begin the editing process. Move your cursor to where you want the logo to be located in the body of this section. Next, click on the Add and Edit Image button. It is located next to the Personalization dropdown and looks like a tree. After clicking this button, a pop-up will appear. You'll have the option to choose from your own images that you've uploaded to Admail.net or from Admail.net's free images. You'll also be able to change some of the properties of your images here. You could also create a link to your website in the email builder. To do this, simply type whatever you want the link to read, and then highlight it and click the link button. It looks like a tiny chain. When the pop-up appears, simply input the link URL and select Insert. Attributes of each section in the background can be modified by right-clicking on them outside of the text editing mode. When you right-click on a section, you'll see a tiny drop-down menu. Click the Modify section, and you'll see the ability to modify several attributes of the email. This includes background and text color, along with many others. Once you are done customizing your email, click the Next button, and it will bring you to the alternate text email page. You can easily create a text version of your email here. This will be used if your recipient does not support HTML in their email, or if they're using a mobile device like a BlackBerry or a PDA. Click the Load from HTML link to automatically generate your alternate text email. Click Next, and you'll be brought to the Review Your Email page. Here, you can preview your email and ensure your subject line and mailing groups are correct. This is also where you can save your email as a draft. We recommend you save your email after any major changes you make to the email. This way, you won't lose your progress. On this page, you can also send a test email. Test emails are intended to help you proofread and view the format of your email. They don't necessarily reflect deliverability, and they may end up in your spam folder. If you want to ensure the deliverability of your email, you should create a test group and send out to them. When you are finally ready to send your email, click I'm ready to send. And don't worry, there's still another page before your message goes out. On this page, you'll be able to see the cost of your mailing and credits, and this will help you judge if you've chosen the right amount of recipients. Don't click the send button on this page until you're absolutely sure you want to send out your message. Once you've clicked this message, your message is being sent out and cannot be stopped. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in Admail.net. Please stop by our site and try our 30-day free trial today.